Let me quickly show you how I was able to make this very super trendy, stylish, beautiful, classy purse with a leather material. Super classy, super trendy. Let me show you step by step how I was able to come up with this purse. Isn't this purse beautiful? Look at it. Very classy. You can rock it with anything. Just anything. So I got my hard gum stay. I measured 13 inches in length and 14 in width. I folded into two, right? I measured 2 inches to create my box, length and breadth. 2 inches to create my box, length and breadth. I measured 6 inches, right? I'll be giving it a slant from the box. I'll cut it to the top just the way I cut it. You saw the way I cut it. So this is our pattern. I'll be using this beautiful leather, very beautiful leather, to make this purse. So at this point, I'm going to be cutting out 2 pieces of this leather material. You get leatherware bag makers and shoemakers are buying their materials. So we need 2 pieces of this. This purse is super easy to make. Like very easy to make, and you can rock it with just about anything, your trouser, your boo-boo, your smart, anything. You just, in fact, it's all weather. So for the lining part, this is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, I'll be dividing this my pattern like into 2. I'll divide it between 6.5 to 7 is fine. So the upper part I'll be using to cut something like a crochet for the inner lining. A crochet, any lining of your choice is fine actually. So, but make sure it's matching. The down part I'll be using to cut this leather again. I want the base to have weight. I'm not padding any other thing. I'm not adding any other thing to it. So I want it to have good, very good amount of balance. So I'll be cutting 2 parts. With the down part, then the upper part, we'll be cutting our crochet like material. You can use any other lining of choice. So we join it like that. We have our main bodies, and let's go and sew. So we'll start with joining the lining that we cut into 2. We sew it straight and we top stitch it. Okay. If you have watched this tutorial to this point and you haven't shared, you haven't commented, you haven't liked, you're not encouraging me. That means you don't want to see more of this. You don't want to see more of this kind of contents. This purse can save you so much money. Don't you know that? So we do this to the second part. We top stitch. You can use any lining, but please make sure it has a little bit of weight because you want it to look. It's simple, so it is the quality that makes it look luxury and rich. All right. So now we are going to be joining our lining side by side, right side facing each other. We'll sew it at this point. We'll sew the other side. This purse is super easy. After this tutorial, just go and look for leather and just make your own and start rocking it. And then thank me later. So we are going to be sewing the down part for the lining and we'll leave a space. Please ensure to leave a space. It is very important. So we'll be covering the box, right? The base, the box. We'll cover it. We'll do the same thing to the other side. This is a purse that you can make under 15 minutes as a learner. 15, highest 20 minutes. So we turn our lining out at this point. We're done with lining for now. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to carry our main bodies. We'll match it together, right side facing each other, and sew the sides. All right. If you have enjoyed this tutorial to this point and you haven't shared, you haven't commented, you haven't engaged, you're not encouraging me. You don't want to see more content like this. It is your engagement that inspires me. Don't forget that. Thank you. So we are just repeating the same step. See, make sure that those sides, the joining side aligns if you want to see a well finished work. So you're doing the same thing to the other side. Note that we sew the down part, we didn't leave any space, just as we left with the lining. We didn't leave space in the main bodies. We sew everything. So you're going to flip it. Sorry, you're going to put the lining inside at this point. Then you sew through all the mouth, like seal the mouth. Sew it round and seal it. With your local machine, you can sew this. It doesn't have to be industrial machine, okay? Just get a nice leather. Make sure the leather is medium in texture. It's not too soft. It's not too hard. If you want to get the best result. Okay? Especially don't let it be too soft. You can rock this with your jean. You can rock this with your dress. This purse is highly classy. So we're flipping through the opening from the lining. We turn it out at this point. Turn it out. Push out all the edges. Make sure it's well turned out. Yeah. So here is the point where you're going to put your lining in. Then you're going to top stitch at the mouth. So you're going to neatly, you can skip this part if you don't know how to sew a straight line, a very straight and neat line. See, our purse is already coming together. So here you have to top stitch round. You have to top stitch round neatly. Ensure your hands are very straight. You can make plenty of this with different leather and sell them. If you check this post, you see how much they are selling online. Come and thank me later. So this is what we have at this point. The next thing we want to do is we want to fix our magnets. We have magnets, all right, 2 magnets. So you're going to fold it and see how you want to clock it. You want to cover it, magnet it. Then you mark the points that you want it to magnet to each other. I'm marking it with my pen. You mark the other side. Make sure that same point you mark when you cover it, that's the same point you're going to mark in the other side. So you mark there too. And you mark there as well. So that is where we are going to be punching holes to put our magnet. So at this point, you're going to get your soldering iron. If you don't have a soldering iron, you can make use of a nail or something pointed that can punch hole. Anything, just punch 2 holes the way I'm doing. Then you fit in your magnet. Fit in your magnet at this point. Ensure that you fit them very well. Use the same side on one side, the other side on the other side, okay? Don't mix them up. So I'm putting my magnet washer, covering it. So I'll do the same thing to the other side. Punch the place that you marked. Punch a hole open. 2 holes. Do the same thing to the other side. So you're going to put in your magnets too. Please share my video, comment, engage, like, to encourage us to do more. Please, I'm begging you. Thank you. Love you. So now we're covering it. At this point, we are going to be sealing the opening of that lining. Right? This purse is as easy as anything. If you make yours, you can share it in the comment section with us so that we can see what you have made. And this is the end of our tutorial. If you want to see more of this, please share and see you in our next tutorial. So this this is beautiful, right? Look at it. Are you going to rock it? Are you going to make it? If you're making it, what are you going to rock it with? Tell me. This is beautiful. Make sure you get a very good leather, because the leather too really goes a long way. It's a very simple purse, so it's the leather that really sells it out. So get something very eye-catching and quality. Bye.